Here's a level 9 type replacement question. We have x times y to the power of 2 all divided by z. Alright, so we're going to replace the x with 2 in brackets, just like that, and the y with 6 in brackets, and that 6 in brackets, the y is to the power of 2, so the 6 in brackets is to the power of 2, divided by z, which is 3. So I replace the z with 3 in brackets. Alright, so then order of operations says I'm going to do what's in the brackets first, but there's nothing to do inside those brackets. Okay, I can remove the brackets, I can remove the 2, but when I remove this this bracket, I'm going to get 6 to the power of 2. Okay, order of operations says, like here I have 2 times 6 to the power of 2. I have multiplication, I have a big division bar. Okay, so order of operations says I have to do brackets first. There's nothing I can do inside the brackets, so exponents next. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Okay, remember this is 2 times 6 to the power of 2, so you can put a little times in there if you like. 2 times 36, and I've removed all those brackets. Okay, you're probably wondering, if I'm going to remove them, like, why put them in the first place? Okay, if you don't put them, it's going to cause mistakes. The most common one is that people will see this as 26 squared as opposed to 2 times 6 squared. That's a big difference. The other thing is later on when we start working with negatives and exponents, this will really save you a lot of trouble. Okay, so whenever you replace into brackets. It just makes a lot of sense. Alright, 2 times 36 divided by 3. Now, whenever you have fractional division like this, you have to totally solve the top and totally solve the bottom as though the top of the fraction were in brackets and the bottom of the fraction were in brackets. Okay, so it's a good habit to get into. So I'm going to do the top first. 2 times 36 is 72, all divided by 3. Okay, so 72 divided by 3 is 24, and there's your answer. Have a good day.